Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically how to connect speaker wire to a speaker terminal. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a speaker, okay? And on the back of the speaker are the speaker terminals, and attached is speaker wire. So I'm going to show you how to do exactly this, connect the speaker wire to a speaker terminal. Really easy to do. I'm just going to pop it out of place right now really quickly. Just give me a moment just like this. I'll show you exactly how it works. So first and foremost, on your speaker terminal, you're most likely going to have this type of connection, which is like a spring-loaded connection. So it's going to have a little tab, okay? And when you press on that tab, just like that, it's going to open up that port right there, okay? When you press down on the tab, it's going to open up the port. When you release it, it's going to close the port. So pressing down on the tab allows you to insert some speaker wire into that terminal, and then releasing it will clamp down and hold that speaker wire in place. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to hold the little spring-loaded piece down, okay? Insert the speaker wire and release it, and it should be held in place. Make sure your speaker wire is nice and tightly twisted, just like that, and you should be good to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the speaker wire. I was going to try and separate it a bit more to make it easier to work with, but I'm having trouble doing that right now with my hands. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it like this. So we're going to take our first speaker wire, okay, which is this one over here, and I'm going to insert it over here into this red terminal. So I'm going to press down on the spring-loaded piece. I'm going to insert the speaker wire into that little hole that opened up. Okay, you want to try and insert as much of it as possible. Try and not leave any speaker wire hanging out. Okay, and once it's inserted, you're going to release that spring-loaded piece, and guess what? That speaker wire is in place. And the same thing with the other side. Okay, I'm just going to switch sides over here on my own self, and I'm just going to press down on that spring-loaded piece over here. Okay, I'm going to insert that speaker wire into that terminal. Okay, we are now connecting the speaker wire to the speaker terminal, just like that. When it's inserted as much as I want it to be, I'm going to release that, and we're good to go. As you can see, it's nice and securely held in place, and you're good to go. That is how to connect speaker wire to a speaker terminal. Easy instructions. They've been super easy and straightforward, really easy to do. And the reason you don't want to leave much speaker wire exposed is because it can cause interference. It's really not much reasoning other than that. You can get some audio interference if you leave, too much exposed. You might not get that interference, but you might. So it's just easier to just, insert as much of it as you can and try to leave nothing exposed if you can. That is truly it. Hopefully you like this video, and I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.